What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Ask Keisha AI, where I keep you plugged in with the latest in tech and AI. Today, we're taking a first look at OpenAI's newest tool, Sora. If you're into creating videos, or even just curious, this one's for you. Sora is like having a full-on video production team in your back pocket. It can turn text into professional-looking videos, bring static images to life with movement, fill in missing frames to smooth out clips. Think about it. No expensive cameras, no editing headaches. Just type your idea, and boom, you've got a video. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. All right, let's talk about what makes Sora so dope. First off, it's crazy easy to use. Whether you're a creator, a small biz owner, or just trying to experiment, this tool can take your ideas to the next level. Here's what it can do. Text to video, describe what you want, and Sora creates it. Dynamic image to video, upload a pic, and Sora adds movement. Frame filling, missing footage, Sora smooths it out seamlessly. The potential is huge. Businesses can make ads, teachers can create lessons, and creators can tell stories in a whole new way. Now, let's jump into my first few tries and see how this magic works. All right, here we go. For my first try, I'm testing the text-to-video feature. The prompt I used was a cozy, luxurious high-rise apartment during wintertime with large floor-to-ceiling windows framing a snowy cityscape. A beautifully decorated Christmas tree adorned with warm white lights, red and silver ornaments, and wrapped gifts beneath it. A beautiful Black couple in their 30s sits closely together on a plush white faux fur couch, surrounded by cozy holiday pillows. The woman has honey blonde hair styled softly, wearing festive Christmas pajamas with a joyful smile. The man, with a well-groomed beard, wears matching pajamas, holding her hand and smiling warmly. Snowflakes gently fall outside, creating a magical holiday ambiance. Check out the results. So the first try was not too bad, but in the first video, it did not get the woman's hair color right. And in the second video, one of the men were missing legs. So I made the following adjustments to the prompt. Let's see the results. Well, I still did not achieve the correct results. The second go around, as you can see, one video is still missing legs, and in the other video, the legs are twisted. So I reviewed my prompt and made some final adjustment. The previous prompt described the woman with deep espresso skin and omitted her legs. The updated prompt lightens her skin tone to a glowing lighter brown with golden undertones, includes her legs gracefully crossed, and enhances details like her glossy lips, expressive almond-shaped eyes, and festive pajamas. The zoom effects balance the expansive snowy skyline and intimate close-ups for a richer scene. Let's see the results. After playing around with Sora, I can already tell it's a game changer. It's easy, fast, and straight up powerful. Whether you're making ads, tutorials, or just cool visuals for social media, Sora makes it so simple to bring your ideas to life. So, what do y'all think? Are you as hyped about Sora as I am? Let me know in the comments and tell me how you'd use it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any more first looks at the future of tech. I also included an ebook that includes 500 prompts to try on your own in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay curious, and stay ready for what's next. See you in the next video.